10 tips for building muscle now. How anyone, even skinny guys, can pack on muscle. The 10 principles to pack on muscle. 1. Maximize muscle building. The more protein your body stores, in a process called protein synthesis, the larger your muscles grow. But your body is constantly draining its protein reserves for other uses, making hormones, for instance. The result is less protein available for muscle building. To counteract that, you need to build and store new proteins faster than your body breaks down old proteins, says Michael Houston, Ph.D., a professor of nutrition at Virginia Tech University. 2. Eat meat. Shoot for about 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, which is roughly the maximum amount your body can use in a day, according to a landmark study in the Journal of Applied Physiology. For example, a 160-pound man should consume 160 grams of protein a day, the amount he'd get from an 8-ounce chicken breast, 1 cup of cottage cheese, a roast beef sandwich, 2 eggs, a glass of milk, and 2 ounces of peanuts. Split the rest of your daily calories equally between carbohydrates and fats. 3. Eat more. In addition to adequate protein, you need more calories. Use the following formula to calculate the number you need to take in daily to gain 1 pound a week. Give yourself 2 weeks for results to show up on the bathroom scale. If you haven't gained by then, increase your calories by 500 a day. 4. Work your biggest muscles. If you're a beginner, just about any workout will be intense enough to increase protein synthesis. But if you've been lifting for a while, you'll build the most muscle quickest if you focus on the large muscle groups, like the chest, back, and legs. Add squats, deadlifts, pull-ups, bent-over rows, bench presses, dips, and military presses to your workout. Do 2 or 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions, with about 60 seconds rest between sets. That rep range will put your muscle cells on the fast track to hypertrophy, the process they use to grow. 5. Have a drink first. A 2001 study at the University of Texas found that lifters who drank a shake containing amino acids and carbohydrates before working out increased their protein synthesis more than lifters who drank the same shake after exercising. The shake contained 6 grams of essential amino acids, the muscle-building blocks of protein, and 35 grams of carbohydrates. Since exercise increases blood flow to your working tissues, drinking a carbohydrate-protein mixture before your workout may lead to greater uptake of the amino acids in your muscles, says Kevin Tipton, Ph.D., an exercise and nutrition researcher at the University of Texas in Galveston. For your shake, you'll need about 10 to 20 grams of protein, usually about 1 scoop of a whey protein powder. Can't stomach protein drinks? You can get the same nutrients from a sandwich made with 4 ounces of deli turkey and a slice of American cheese on whole wheat bread. But a drink is better. Liquid meals are absorbed faster, says Kalman. So tough it out. Drink 30 to 60 minutes before your workout. 6. Lift every other day. Do a full body workout followed by a day of rest. Studies show that a challenging weight workout increases protein synthesis for up to 48 hours immediately after your exercise session. Your muscles grow when you're resting, not when you're working out, says Michael Mejia, CSCS, men's health exercise advisor and a former skinny guy who packed on 40 pounds of muscle using this very program. 7. Down the carbs after your workout. Research shows that you'll rebuild muscle faster on your rest days if you feed your body carbohydrates. Post-workout meals with carbs increase your insulin levels, which, in turn, slows the rate of protein breakdown, says Kalman. Have a banana, a sports drink, a peanut butter sandwich. 8. Eat something every 3 hours. If you don't eat often enough, you can limit the rate at which your body builds new proteins, says Houston. Take the number of calories you need in a day and divide by 6. That's roughly the number you should eat at each meal. Make sure you consume some protein, around 20 grams, every 3 hours. 9. Make 1 snack ice cream. This tip will be the easiest to follow by far. Have a bowl of ice cream, any kind, 2 hours after your workout. According to a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, this snack triggers a surge of insulin better than most foods do. And that'll put a damper on post-workout protein breakdown. 10. Have milk before bed. Eat a combination of carbohydrates and protein 30 minutes before you go to bed. The calories are more likely to stick with you during sleep and reduce protein breakdown in your muscles, says Kalman. Try a cup of Raisin Bran with a cup of skim milk or a cup of cottage cheese and a small bowl of fruit.
Eat again as soon as you wake up.
The more diligent you are, the better results you'll get, says Kalman. The way to go for muscle growth: drink this protein power shake before every workout. Weight gain powders seem like an easy solution to a skinny guy's problems. After all, they pack as many as 2,200 calories into one serving. But you're not getting what you pay for. High-calorie weight gain drinks usually get more than 80% of their calories from sugar, says Doug Kalman, RD, and downing that much sugar can give you an upset stomach and diarrhea. So, in a sense, you're flushing good money down the toilet. You'll get much better results by spreading your calories throughout the day, says Kalman. And by using protein shakes. Look for whey protein powders at nutrition stores. Combine 1 scoop of the powder with the following ingredients and blend for a homemade muscle-building pre-workout shake. 1 teaspoon olive or flaxseed oil, 1/2 c fat-free yogurt, 1 c grape or apple juice. Stats per shake: 335 calories, 27 gram protein, 45 grams carbohydrates, 6 grams fat. Click the link for more information on how to build your muscles faster.